Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you print the header on every page of sheet. For example, if I go to print section, so you can see I'm getting the header on first page, but if I go to the another page, you can see the header is not here. So if I want that header should be on all the pages when I print, so I have to go back and I have to go to the page layout and then go to print titles. Now here rows to repeat at top, I have to select that row and then click on OK. Now header is selected, so if I go to Control P, so in print preview you can see that the header is on every page. This is how you can print the header on every page of the sheet. Thank you everyone.